Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're talking all things prom. From the latest fashion trends to the best date ideas. So, if you're looking for some inspiration for your big night, keep watching. Trendy prom outfits. Are you ready to slay on prom night? This year's fashion trends are all about bold colors, sparkly fabrics, and statement accessories. So, whether you're into classic ball gowns or edgy jumpsuits, there's a look for everyone. Don't be afraid to show off your unique style and personality. Promposal ideas. It's not just about the outfit, prom starts with the perfect promposal. Whether you're asking your crush, your best friend, or your significant other, make it memorable and personal. Some ideas include decorating their locker, writing a message in sidewalk chalk, or even creating a scavenger hunt. Get creative. Prom decor. Why spend a fortune on decorations when you can DIY? From photo backdrops to balloon arches, there are plenty of affordable and easy ways to make your prom venue look stunning. Get your friends involved and have a fun pre-prom crafting party. Prom makeup tutorial. You want your makeup to be on point for prom, but you don't have to break the bank. Whether you're into natural glam or bold and colorful looks, there are plenty of tutorials on TikTok to help you achieve your dream makeup. Don't forget to practice beforehand and use long-lasting products to make sure it lasts all night. Prom night safety tips. We want you to have the time of your life on prom night, but safety always comes first. Make sure you have a plan for transportation, whether it's a designated driver or a ride-sharing service. Stay with your group of friends and be aware of your surroundings. And, of course, have fun while being responsible. Conclusion. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring for your prom night. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun content. And remember, prom night is all about having fun and making memories that will last a lifetime. Happy prom!